An ATC is something that's typically viewed as unobtainium, meaning it's almost illusory the way that it's issued by the RCMP Firearms program. But I've kind of templated the process.
It is always a clear and present danger while working outdoors in remote parts of this country.
A worker was attacked and killed by a bear.
We are learning more today about a deadly bear attack.
What's going to be effective is the thing that you have with you at the time, and the handgun is always going to be with you.
Handguns are the most effective tool.
We're introducing legislation to implement a national freeze on handgun ownership.
We obviously can't purchase a new firearm.
So you can actually purchase restricted firearms because they can't deny you the ability to go out there and protect your life.
And I'm going to give you a hot tip for all the listeners listening. Once you prove qualified for your ATC, you have the ability to purchase 2 firearms. That was shared with me by a CFO.
They have a mandate to make getting an ATC difficult. One firearms officer told me, he says, we don't want to have everybody running around willy-nilly with a handgun on their hip. And I said, why not? I said, this is a life-saving thing. This is to do with life. Like, that should be your only concern. How long did it take?
4 years.
4 years. Once we started working together, how long was that?
I hate to say it, but it was actually pretty quick. And thanks to Travis here, I actually was able to get through it. I kind of did the classic textbook, tried to be good, but realized in being so good that I actually was hindering myself. And let me tell you, my God, did it feel good when I had both permits come to my door. My biggest conquest now is I want people to know that you are empowered to find the right tools to make your job safer. Everyone wants to go home at the end of the day.